Guys doing? This is Martin, 52-year-old man, 16, worked with one company for 20 years. I have about 16 years worth of retirement, and I'm thinking, what am I going to do, man? Single, one girlfriend, Delilah. We live together. I live with Jocelyn and Margarita. Gosh, Margarita almost burned down the house. We used to always kind of tell Margarita, have a threesome with us, have a threesome with us. I didn't know about having a threesome with her would cause her almost to burn down the kitchen. And then after that, it was all downhill with the relationship. So that's how that one ended. And Delilah, we were living together, always fighting, just because I was trying to pass a civil engineering exam. It took me 5 years to pass. She should be happy I didn't quit. I kept studying. Even after getting laid off from my job, working at UPS, FedEx, I even worked at Target to get money to help pay for the exam. She didn't want that. She said, you're never going to pass. You're a loser. Maybe it was my fault. I should have showed her, you were right. When I was studying on my own, not using the proper, not realizing, hey, there's some stuff I just don't know. My new name I call myself is 4 times. It takes me 4 times as long. I wish I could do that in the bed. Maybe I can make 1 minute into 4 minutes. So that's what I nicknamed myself if I look back on what I did. You know, I didn't go to a dentist till I was in high school sophomore. And that was because Miss Mills said, Martin, your teeth are not in good enough condition. People won't pay attention to you. And I said, I never thought about that. It took me about 2 to 3 months to get my grandfather to finally take me to the dentist. My mom took me once. And then finally realized I had a rare gum disease. So it took about 3 or 4 years just of treatments and surgeries. So that's why I call myself 4 times. It always takes me 4 times as long to get it. But now that I'm 52, thought I was doing good. Retirement was fine. Here comes COVID. Knocks the interest rate down to 1%. What's even worse is, look at this. You can be in the gym, get you a young girl. What young girl is going to be walking? Look at this, man. What young girl is going to be running up and down this shit, man? Unless she's a cave woman or something like that. So today I thought that 24 Hours Fitness was doing an outdoor event, but they're not. So where am I at again? Working out, climbing damn hills, man. So let me know what you guys think, man. What should I do, man? Yesterday I said maybe I should get married, have an open relationship, or just be a swinger, or maybe just find a good psychotic girlfriend about 20 or 30 who says, if you fuck any other girl, I'll kill you and then I'll kill myself. And I'm thinking to myself, you know, I can go for that, man. Delilah was almost like that, but I would rather she took out her violence on other people instead of me, and we'd probably still be together. So let me know what you think, man. I'm just thinking, how can I make extra money, man? 1% interest, even if I had $100,000, $200,000, 1% interest, $2,000, man. I could probably steal $2,000 somehow. I could just rob fucking houses, stand on the corner like the bombs do. Can I get $75? Can I get $75? Make money that way. And what makes it worse, all the gyms are closed. And I gotta fucking work out. Deal with these mountain bikes. People fucking running. I hate it, man. I used to do triathlons and all type of stuff. I hate bikes, man. I was thinking about that Wrong Way Turn movie where the 2 eyes or something, they decapitated one biker and then I guess they shot one in the head or in the back. I'm like, go get those bikers, 2 face and 3 eyes, get them. Maybe I'll keep some of these kids at home. Schools are closed. I got kids all over the place. Brother, man, is going COVID crazy. And now I got the demos in charge. Oh, God. Oh, they talking about stupid shit. Well, we're going to opt back into the Paris Accord. What? I can't even spell Paris. What are you talking about? And then no police reform. And then it'll be to the gay rights, the lesbian rights. What? No one cares. Let gay people do what they want. What more can they make them do? We're going to make straight people gay? Is there going to be a gay immersion program, a straight gay immersion program? Is that what Biden and Camilla are going to come out with? Well, let's make straight people gay, and we'll have more constituents to give us money. So, I don't know, man. So, but today I'm just taking a walk, looking at beautiful view. The view I keep seeing, I've been seeing since March. So let me know what you guys think, man. You going COVID crazy? The problem of going in COVID crazy is masks can't pay for the bills. There's no more stimulus coming, man. That's done. They ain't gonna get nothing past the Senate no more. So today is just my COVID rant, man. What do you guys think, man? I think insanity is about to reign. What you see happening in Oregon with all those people rioting, you're going to see all over. If you think they're rioting on Trump, what the fuck do you think they're going to do on the Biden? They're going to go fucking crazy, man. That's why in Oregon they say, hey, let them take the heroin. Legalize heroin, legalize weed. Shit, the more of them on drug and dying, the less the police have to deal with them. So maybe that may be the smart thing to do. But for all of you who are looking for ways to make extra money, as I told you before, gambling will be the new gold rush of 2021. I'm telling you. When I was younger, warehouses, child molesters and criminals work. Tattoos are for like the militia, the gangsters, people in jail. And gambling, looked down upon. That's for racketeering, where you didn't pay your taxes. Now everything's legal, man. I got thousands of kids working in the warehouses. They got Mercedes and Audis. And they live at home with mom and dad. They go to mom and dad, I pay for my own car, mom. I got my own job. Oh, it's like, sir, son, why don't you go get your own place and get you some roommates? Get the hell up out of my face. Let me know what you guys think, man. I think I was wrong about the economy recovering. I don't think it's going to recover for a while. I think this year is done. Maybe a little pickup about December, but I think that's it, man. If it doesn't pick up between now, if it didn't pick up after Veterans Day is when you get your big peak of cars and trucks coming in. But I don't even see the trucks even coming in anymore doing any type of deliveries. So it's going to be a long month. So so that's why if you want to make some extra money, join my $500 program, learn how to play blackjack. I got a $50 program if you want to learn how to play Powerball. I went 2 out of 8 in August, 2 out of 8 in September, 1 out of 8 in October, and we're still not done with November. So let me know what you think. Comment, subscribe, like. Stay updated on what I'm telling you, man. Stay in. Ride on the M train. You know what would call me the M train? Because you need that money. Because you can't buy no food with no mask.